Jain son, Kishorji, treasurer of Kilpark, Swatambar Murti Pujak, Jain son. We have with us our Jain Muni, Sri Ajit Sagarji. He is a renowned Jain Muni, and another Jain Muni, Sri Padma Prabha Sagarji. So, and we have Manorji, who is here. This press conference is about a program which we are going to have it on 26th. English is fine with everybody? So on 26th we are having a program. This program is something different which is happening for the first time in Chennai. We have not seen such program happening in Chennai. This program has happened already in Bangalore, Mumbai, Mysore. So first time this is happening in Chennai. This is known as Satavdar. What is Sat? Sat is 100. Anything 100 is known as Sat. And Avdan is remembering 100 different objects, items or pictures, anything different 100 items is known as Avdan. So a person, normally a mind doesn't remember more than 10 to 15 items. So if I tell you 1 to 15 and then I ask you what was the item number 13, you may not be recalling what is the item number 13. But to remember more than 100 items in a sequence, whether it is a multiplication of a max sum or an object or a picture or a foreign language, anything. So which develops with spirituality, it cannot be developed through concentration also. Because this is something, a science which even lot of neurologists, doctors, scientists are still exploring, how a person can remember more than 100 items. And here we are going to perform on 200 items. So the questions are going to be asked for 200 questions, the answers will be 200, and then you can ask, just say for example there is a question on 155, where what is the pronunciation of this sentence in Latin language. Now that pronunciation is in Latin language is the answer. Now afterwards, once all the questions are over, you can just stand up and ask what is the answer for 155 without even asking the question, and the Muni Sri will answer the answer at 155. Now that is a sum. You say by 18 divided by 5 into 9 into 6 is equal to so and so, and then you suddenly ask that question number 199 was what was that, and he will tell the answer, or you say the answer, he will tell you the question. You can show the project, he will tell you. So anyway, crisscross, backward, forward, anything he will be able to recollect and tell, whether it's an object, whether it's a picture, whether it's a language, whether it is a max multiplication or a general capitals or whatever it is. So 200 different ways of question we see answers. This program was already covered in New York Times when it was happened in Bombay. New York Times covered this program. Aaj Tak and India TV almost took the interview of Muni Sri, and they relayed the program for almost 18 to 20 hours on their channels, and it was a continuous program. Muni Sri requested that being a Jain, we would not like any advertisement coming in on the program when the program is run, because that time maybe any ad which comes of a non-veg product. So the TV didn't took an ad for 18 hours. Without an ad, they run the program for 18 to 20 hours. So that is what the thing is there. This program has been shown in 147 countries across. All the newspapers have done. The program has been witnessed by more than 8,000 people in Bangalore when the Muni Sri did. More than 10,000 people in Bombay. In Bombay, they did it even for 500 questions for the first time. It's a Guinness Book of World Record, answering 500 numbers or questions with this. Here in Chennai, we are going to perform for 200 questions. So the program is on 26th. It's a unique program. So that's all about the program. Muni Sri has already left his maternal life almost
20 years.
More than 20 years. He's a saint for more than 20 years. So he's in our Jainism, we don't use any vehicles to go across. Even from Chennai to Delhi, we go only by walk. We don't use any flight or trains or cars or anything. He doesn't walk on carpets. He doesn't wear chappals. We eat within 10 to 6 We don't eat anything after 6. So these are all the basic principles of Jainism, where we work on a principle of live and let live. Even any harm to a small ant, we feel it is a sin. So this is all about the program. Any questions you can ask. And then this program we would have done for 10,000 people. Being a COVID, with the social distancing, we are restricting with 400 to 500. No, it's a invitation program, free of cost. Only by invitation, we are selecting few individuals and inviting them. The program is in Hindi, so anybody knowing Hindi is being invited to the program. No, because if you can come in the program, but if you will not understand the program, if you don't understand Hindi. So anybody who understand Hindi, whether it's an IAS officer or a judge or anybody who understand Hindi, can understand the program. Otherwise, because the Munisri doesn't know Tamil, so he cannot speak the program in Tamil. So he will be conducting the program in Hindi. Tell that how through spirituality you can improve your concentration, you can relax so many words. This cannot be done through science or through normal education. To remember 100 words, they also run a organization called Saraswati Foundation on education. Every year more than 4,000 students are groomed on Saraswati education. How to improve their memory power, how to enhance the inner spirituality, wherein you are able to enhance your education. So that is the main aim of increasing your education capabilities.